Hey everybody, welcome to my channel Tarot Warrior. My name is Aparna and I'm here today to do a reading for the sign of Aquarius. This is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. Only take what resonates, leave the rest. If none of the messages resonate, you can always check videos of your other sign placements, Moon or Venus sign for additional information. So Aquarius, let's get into your reading and let's look at what's coming towards you in May. Your past energy is the Ace of Cups. Your current energy is the Five of Cups. Your future energy is the Emperor. What is your challenge for the month of May? Two of Pentacles. Your advice is the Nine of Swords. Your hidden factor is the Two of Cups. Your overall energy is the Six of Swords, and your outcome is Temperance. So Six of Swords is your overall energy, Aquarius. You're leaving something behind. You're leaving something, that's something that was very difficult, something that was very, energetically very volatile. You are leaving it behind and going towards calmer water. So May, in a sense, is a very transformational month for you. I see in the past there was a situation, a love relationship offer that was being made, and it looked, it looked like a new beginning in the past. But current energy shows a loss, a feeling of, kind of looking back and regretting something, or looking back and feeling like something is a missed opportunity. So whatever started off in the past, I feel in the future, in the current energy, you're feeling like this is not working out. Okay, there's some kind of an energy of a missed opportunity, and feeling like something is not just working the way you expected or going the way you expected. You've got the Emperor as your future energy, that's Aries energy. So in the future, there is somebody that you're meeting. This person is somebody very mature, somebody very stable, somebody who probably could be older than you, but doesn't have to be. Could be somebody who's had a lot of life experiences. Either you are kind of taking this person's help in some way, or this is a new romantic partner. Now, your challenge is the Two of Pentacles for May. So the challenge here is, kind of juggling, kind of having a choice between two options, trying to balance your energy. Maybe you feel very imbalanced. There is also this energy of having too much on your plate. So you're trying to juggle multiple priorities, and that is a challenge for you. You need to bring a balance in your life, balance in your energy. Nine of Swords is your advice. So there is this energy of, again, maybe overthinking. There are some parts of your life where you're taking too much stress, and maybe you don't need to really overthink this. And there's a lot of problems caused because of that overthinking, because of that stress. Two of Cups is your hidden factor. So there's definitely new love coming in for you. And I see that this is a very mutual, balanced relationship, because you've got Temperance in the outcome. So there is this healing energy, there is this balance coming into your life. Sagittarius energy with Temperance. So let's just clarify, what is the Six of Swords about? You've got Star, that's your energy. So yeah, May is a month where you are taking your power back from a situation, from a person. You're taking control of your life. It is your month in the true sense of the word. Okay, so I see a lot of healing for you in the month of May. Now, Ace of Cups in the past, Ten of Pentacles. So again, there was some long standing relationship, or you felt that this was something you could take forward, This was something that you could, think of as a long-term potential partner. Maybe you made an offer to somebody thinking that this would last long, but in the current situation, I see a loss. Three of Pentacles here. Why is it Three of Pentacles here with the Five of Cups, Six of Wands? So, one more thing that I'm getting here, Aquarius, is that everything looks great for you in the current situation. Maybe there is no loss per se, but you're still looking at something in the past that you lost out on. So you have everything in the current situation, current scenario. Everything looks good. It's going as per plan. You have a beautiful relationship here, which is going towards a long-term relationship, but you're still missing something from the past. You're still looking back and thinking like, I wish I had that one thing which I don't have now. So although you have everything, you're still kind of, looking at what you don't have and regretting that. That could also be one of the stories that I'm getting here. The Emperor in the future. Yeah, Page of Cups. Again, I feel that you are looking back at someone or something you couldn't be with in the past, and that's kind of, I feel in the future there is a new beginning, a new start with that person. Somebody you've been thinking of is coming back with an offer, coming back with some kind of a proposal or some kind of an offer here. Now, why is the Two of Pentacles your challenge? And that's why the Two of Pentacles is your challenge, because you have something going great in your current energy, but you're still pining or looking at the past and wondering, if I had that, I would be much more happier. And you have to choose between these two options, and that's why your energy is imbalanced, because part of you has something great going on, but a part of you is wishing you had that past person, or that past missed opportunity. You want that back, or you want to reconnect with somebody from the past. The universe is asking you to tap into your inner strength. This is temptations trying to tempt you. So you're asked to tame your inner impulses, okay? And that is your biggest challenge. Not being tempted by the past, because the past is something that's in the past, right? You have something great going on in the current energy. Why is the Nine of Swords here? Yeah, you're worried. There's some kind of fear, which is also, you got two nines. So there's some kind of fear that is blocking you. The fear, because again, like I said, you have something great going on in the current energy, but you are almost fearful of what might happen. Like you're kind of expecting the worst, even though you don't have any reason to be fearful as such. So there's a lot of overthinking, or stressing out on things that are not there. So Two of Cups here is a very balanced relationship between you and somebody. Could be a Taurus that you're dealing with, but there's a lot of balance, there's a lot of love here. An outcome is the Seven of Wands. Again, I see some blocks that you need to fight. Very you need to fight these blockages. You need to stand firm on what you have, what you believe in. Nine of Pentacles is here. So there's this energy of having to think independently, and some of you are kind of engaged or getting married to somebody, but there's this energy of temptation, which is something from the past that you wish you had, and in the process maybe you're jeopardizing what you have in the present energy. And the universe is trying to tell you to not overthink this, not stress out about things you don't have. Rather, enjoy what you have in the current and go with the flow of things. So, Aquarius, this is what I have for you. I hope this helps and resonates. If it does, please do give me a like, share, do subscribe to my channel. If you wish to book a private reading, I'm available on my email or website. You can reach out to me on either one of the mediums, either through mail or my website, or you can book directly on my website if you have PayPal. And I'll be back with another reading, but please do like, share, and subscribe, and take care.